If you want to free up storage space on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first we can open Settings. Now here in Settings, if we go to Apps, then in here we should be able to find unused apps, which can be, of course, useful after some time. At the beginning of once you start using the phone, of course, it might not be really useful because the phone needs some time to determine which apps you use on a daily basis, which apps you use rarely, or which apps you don't use at all. And then in here you should be able to see apps that you can consider removing if you don't use them that very often, and if you feel like you won't need them anytime soon. Besides that, of course, we can also go to the storage settings in here, and we can see how much storage is being used. And in here we can find the smart cleanup option, which is just an information about the condition of the phone, but if there is something that can be, of course, done in order to optimize the storage, then you might see an information over here. Also, we can find the free up space button for the files manager, but in fact I'm gonna show you in the files app itself how to find the proper settings for that allow you to clean the storage a little bit. And what we can also find in here is, of course, the list of data, actually the list of categories which contain data. So of course this can be an indicator of things that you might want to remove, like for example if you have lots of videos, then of course they will take lots of space, so you can go to videos over here. In my case, I often use files by Google, and then you should be able to choose if you want to, for example, keep some of these videos or not. Of course, the category itself is just an example. And you can also go to images, to audio files, documents, and so on and so forth. So of course you can get rid of things that you no longer need. But what you might need to keep in mind is that if you remove something, most of the time it goes into the bin or trash. So it stays in the trash for 30 days, and after 30 days, if you don't do anything with these files, then they are removed permanently. And in the meantime, as they are in the trash, of course, the space is still occupied. So if you are 100% sure that you don't need files that you deleted, then you can go to the trash and you can clear the trash in here, or just remove selected files that you are sure you will not need anymore. And now let's go to the Files app. We should be able to find it in the app drawer. It is the Google app. And in here, of course, we can also take a look at all the files that we have in here. We can also see how much space is taken. So in here, you can also manage your files. If you want to, you can remove them quite easily as well. But if you tap on these three lines in the upper left corner, you can find the clean option, which is a pretty good menu where we can find lots of suggestions that you can, of course, implement. So if you have like lots of junk files, you might want to clean the junk files in here, so you can clear temporary app files at once. There is also delete large files sections. If you have files that take lots of space, then you can select them and you can remove them from your phone. And of course, we can also find trash in here as well. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.